Hey y'all, this is Sky Juice coming to you live and direct from the beautiful island of Puerto Rico. And we are out here at the Luquillo Farm Sanctuary with Kenya. Hola. Marisa.
Hi.
Son.
Hey.
Joe is over there and Steve is up here. And we are at our little Zone 2 area where we're starting to do our growing. We just started on the land and we are getting ready to create, or we're in the process of creating, the world's most fabulous organic farm for children here on the beautiful island of Puerto Rico. If you are interested in participating in any way, please feel free to contact us. Our website is puertoricofarm.com, and we are grateful that you have watched this, and we hope to hear from you soon. Peace.